Welcome back. Today we're tackling a challenge so many of us face: eating healthy at the office when time is tight. SlimSync's got your back with smart, quick, and delicious meals to keep you energized all day. Balancing a busy job with healthy eating can feel overwhelming, especially with tempting takeout and vending machines everywhere. But with a little prep and a few smart strategies, you can transform your work lunches, making them healthy, satisfying, and ready to go. These tips will help you save time, stay on track, and actually enjoy your food. Let's make healthy eating effortless and exciting, not a chore. Ready to say goodbye to sad desk lunches? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about mason jar salads, the ultimate meal prep hack for busy people who still want to eat well. These salads are popular for a reason. Prep a batch on Sunday, and you'll have fresh, grab-and-go lunches ready for the entire week. No more scrambling for something healthy at the last minute. The real secret is in the layering. Start with your favorite dressing at the bottom of the jar. This keeps everything else from getting soggy. Next, add hard veggies like carrots, bell peppers, or cucumbers. These sturdy veggies act as a barrier, keeping the rest of your salad crisp and fresh. After that, layer in grains or legumes, think quinoa, brown rice, or chickpeas. These add fiber and energy, making your salad more satisfying and filling. Now it's time for protein. Add grilled chicken, tofu, beans, or even hard-boiled eggs for a boost that will keep you full all afternoon. Finally, top it all off with leafy greens like spinach, arugula, or romaine. Keeping greens at the top ensures they stay crisp until you're ready to eat. When lunchtime rolls around, just shake up your jar and pour everything into a bowl. You'll have a fresh, delicious salad in seconds. No soggy lettuce, no mess. For dressings, try vinaigrette, lemon tahini, or a simple olive oil and balsamic combo. Switch it up to keep things interesting. Remember, those hard veggies at the bottom are key. They protect the rest of your ingredients from getting soggy. Grains like quinoa or chickpeas not only add texture, but also make your salad hearty enough to power you through the day. Don't forget fun extras: crumbled feta, creamy avocado, or even a handful of berries for a pop of flavor and color. Leafy greens stay fresh and vibrant at the top, so your salad tastes just made, even days later. Mason jar salads are not just convenient, they're colorful, nutritious, and make lunchtime feel special, even on the busiest days. Prep a few jars ahead of time, and you'll never settle for a boring lunch again. Healthy eating has never been so simple, or so delicious. Next, let's talk wraps and rolls, perfect for when you want something sandwich-like but healthier. These are a fantastic option for busy workdays, meal prepping, or even a quick dinner at home. Wraps are incredibly versatile, letting you mix and match ingredients to suit your taste, dietary needs, or whatever you have in the fridge. Start with a whole grain tortilla for fiber and lasting fullness. Whole grains help keep your energy steady throughout the afternoon, so you can avoid that post-lunch slump. Swap mayo for hummus or Greek yogurt-based spreads for flavor and nutrition. These spreads add creaminess and a boost of protein, while keeping your wrap lighter and more nutritious. Add lean protein, grilled chicken, turkey, tuna, or plant-based options like tofu or black beans. Protein is key for keeping you full and satisfied, and it helps your body repair and build muscle. Pile on crunchy veggies, lettuce, peppers, carrots, cucumbers, for texture and nutrients. The more colorful your veggies, the more vitamins and antioxidants you'll get, making your lunch both delicious and nourishing. Don't overfill. Roll tightly and wrap in parchment for a mess-free meal. This makes your wrap easy to eat on the go, whether you're at your desk or heading to a meeting. Wraps are endlessly customizable: Mediterranean with hummus and feta, or Southwestern with black beans and corn. You can even try Asian-inspired wraps with teriyaki chicken and slaw, or go classic with turkey and avocado. Try rice paper for fresh spring rolls. These are light, refreshing, and perfect for packing in extra veggies and herbs like mint or cilantro. They're portable, quick, and keep lunch exciting. You can make them ahead of time and grab them as you head out the door, making healthy eating simple and stress-free. Mix up your fillings each week to avoid boredom. Experiment with different proteins, spreads, and veggies to keep things interesting and discover new favorites. Healthy wraps are a lunch game changer. They're satisfying, customizable, and can fit any dietary preference, from vegetarian to gluten-free. Easy to prep, easy to love. Give them a try and see how wraps and rolls can transform your lunch routine. Let's face it, mid-morning and afternoon hunger can sabotage your healthy eating. The solution? Smart snacking. Instead of reaching for that bag of chips or candy bar, consider healthier alternatives that will keep you full and energized throughout the day. Prep snacks ahead of time so you're not tempted by vending machines or break room treats. This way you have control over what you eat and can make healthier choices without the stress of last-minute decisions. Aim for snacks with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, like almonds, which are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support your overall health. Apple slices with nut butter or Greek yogurt. These options are not only tasty but also provide a good balance of macronutrients to keep you satisfied. Portion snacks into containers for grab-and-go convenience. This makes it easy to stick to your healthy eating plan, even on the busiest of days. Savory options. Carrots with hummus or a hard-boiled egg. These snacks are not only nutritious, but also satisfying, helping you avoid unhealthy cravings. The goal is to have snacks you actually enjoy, not just tolerate. When you look forward to your snacks, you're more likely to stick to your healthy eating habits. Healthy snacking fuels your body and keeps you satisfied. It provides the energy you need to stay focused and productive throughout the day. Planning ahead means you're ready for hunger, not caught off guard. By having your snacks prepared, you can avoid the pitfalls of unhealthy eating. It's a small habit with a big impact. Consistently choosing healthy snacks can lead to better overall health and well-being. Avoid high-calorie temptations by being prepared. When you have healthy options readily available, it's easier to make the right choice. Snack smart, stay on track. Your body will thank you for the nutritious fuel, and you'll feel better overall. Your future self will thank you. By making smart snacking choices today, you're setting yourself up for a healthier, happier tomorrow. Breakfast sets the tone for your whole day, even your lunch choices. Embrace time-saving breakfasts like overnight oats, mix oats, milk, and Greek yogurt, then top with fruit in the morning. Or prep smoothie freezer bags with greens, fruit, and protein powder. Just blend and go. Both options take minutes to prep and are packed with fiber and protein. A good breakfast prevents mid-morning crashes and overeating at lunch. Skipping breakfast often leads to poor choices later. Quick, healthy breakfasts make mornings easier and keep your energy steady. Start your day right, and lunch will follow. Build a routine that supports your goals. Breakfast is your first step to a healthier workday. Hydration is your secret weapon for energy, focus, and weight loss. Keep a water bottle at your desk as a constant reminder to drink. Aim for about 2 liters a day. Refill as needed. Sipping water throughout the day keeps you alert and can prevent unnecessary snacking. Next time you feel hungry, try a glass of water first. You might just be thirsty. If plain water bores you, add lemon, cucumber, or mint for flavor. Herbal teas and sparkling water are great alternatives. Avoid sugary sodas and fancy coffee drinks. They're loaded with hidden calories. Hydration supports your goals and helps you feel your best. Make water your go-to drink at work. Simple, effective, and essential. Drink up for better health. Even healthy foods can derail your goals if portions are too big. Use meal prep containers with dividers to guide your portions. Fill half with non-starchy veggies, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with complex carbs. Veggies add volume and nutrients without many calories. Protein keeps you full and supports muscle. Complex carbs like quinoa or sweet potato provide steady energy. Prepping lunches this way removes guesswork and helps you stay consistent. It's about balance, not restriction. Portion control is a simple, visual strategy for success. Prep once, eat well all week. Some days you need lunch in 5 minutes or less. Keep staples like tuna or salmon pouches, hard-boiled eggs, and pre-cooked grains at the office. Mix tuna with guacamole or Greek yogurt, eat with crackers or veggies. Pair hard-boiled eggs with cherry tomatoes for a quick meal. Microwave pre-cooked grains, add spinach, chickpeas, and feta for a warm bowl. Cottage cheese with berries or tomatoes is another fast, protein-rich option. Stock your office pantry with non-perishables and a few fresh items. These quick meals are your safety net for busy days. No time? No problem. Healthy eating is still possible. 5 minutes is all you need. Stay prepared, stay on track. Fast food doesn't have to mean unhealthy. Make every minute count. What you drink matters as much as what you eat. Skip sugary sodas and juices, they're loaded with empty calories. Green tea is a great office drink, gentle caffeine, antioxidants, and hydration. Coffee is fine, just keep it simple and skip the sugary add-ins. Infused water with cucumber, mint, or lemon is a refreshing alternative. Sparkling water with lime can replace soda cravings. Smart drink choices save calories and support your goals. Be mindful of what's in your cup. Hydrate with purpose, not sugar. Choose drinks that help, not hinder your progress. Grain bowls are a lunch favorite, satisfying, customizable, and nutrient-packed. Start with a whole grain base: quinoa, brown rice, or farro. Add lean protein chicken, tofu, beans, or eggs. Pile on a mix of cooked and raw veggies for color and crunch. Top with a flavorful dressing: lemon tahini, vinaigrette, or just olive oil and lemon. Finish with extra seeds, nuts, cheese, or fresh herbs. Prep components ahead and assemble at work for freshness. Grain bowls keep you full and energized all afternoon. Mix up ingredients each week for variety. They're easy to prep, easy to love. One bowl, endless possibilities. Make grain bowls your go-to lunch. Tip 10. Leftover makeovers. Cook extra at dinner and transform leftovers into fresh lunches. Grilled chicken becomes a salad or wrapped. Roasted veggies go into grain bowls or wraps. Leftover taco meat tops a salad for a quick taco bowl. Baked salmon turns into a salmon salad with Greek yogurt and dill. Even steak can be sliced for a salad with blue cheese. Think of dinner as tomorrow's lunch prep. This saves time, reduces waste, and keeps lunch interesting. No more scrambling in the morning, lunch is ready to go. Get creative with leftovers for effortless, healthy meals. Make your fridge work for you. There you have it, 10 tips for healthy, time-saving work lunches. Eating well at work is all about planning and smart choices. Start with 1 or 2 tips this week and build from there. Every healthy lunch is a step toward your goals. Stay consistent, stay energized, and let SlimSync guide your journey. Subscribe for more quick, effective meal ideas. Thanks for watching. See you next time.